Hi ladies and gentlemen, today we want to attempt to change one of these iPhone 6 Plus LCD or screen. As you see, it's badly damaged. There's nothing left on it, but it still was working. But we attempt to change this one. Before we start, you need plenty of these, coffee, tea, whatever you like it. You need a few of these. Today we want to just use this one, but the light doesn't work. One of the tweezers had the lights because we do different jobs, but the battery's gone. I must change the battery. And this one, two of these. This one I bought it from Pound Shop. It's quite useful. And this is what they come with, the new screen we bought. I cannot see properly because this is, I think it's spline. This is few plastic things to lever the screen out. There's a new screen we bought. Or why we bought a screen without home button and the camera, because our camera and home button is working, and I prefer to have the original on. But if you don't want to attempt to change and remove the home button and the front camera, so you can buy the complete one. They come complete with the home button and the camera. Well, so we need one of these, because believe it or not, I tried to see the screws, I couldn't. Even with a normal magnifier you cannot see it properly. On this one I think you can just, with the camera is a little bit difficult. I can see them, they are spline. For you it's difficult. Even with the normal magnifier it's so difficult to see these screws. So before you try this one, maybe you can get one of these one from Pound Shop. They got number 1, 1.5, 2, 3. So you can grab one of these too. They are good, just £1. So this is the stuff we're using today. We haven't started yet, but normally I see other video clips. They said, this, you start from these 2 screws here and then lever the screen out. But my screen is gonna come out so easy because it's just shattered. It's just loose anyway. So well, as psychology says, 2 things increase their brain cells: sport and learning the new things. So if you want to learn the new things and you enjoy it, so you're gonna have more brain cells too. So increase the brain cells, So I cannot hold the camera and do this one. I tell you how long it takes, to change one of these, because I don't know. I did so many things in my life, but changing this screen, I don't know how long it takes. We're gonna start removing these 2, and then I'll let you know the tricks you need to learn to change one of this screen. So see part 2 when I attempt to start removing the screws, if I can see the screws, and then I'm gonna let you know. Thank you for watching, guys. See the part 2, and we talk later. Bye.